student from Education Study Program 2019 at State University of Medan. In this video, I will explain to you about Chapter 3, namely Numeration System. Before discussing the numeration system, we should know what is meant by numbers and number symbol. The difference between a number and number symbol is the difference between the object and the object's name. A number symbol is a symbol that represents a number. Symbol used to represent or describe a number can vary. For example, 4 is 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 1, etc. Although these symbols represent the same number. Since ancient times, it is undeniable that mathematics education is indispensable and has been integrated in human life and is a basic need of every level of society in the association of daily life. They need math for simple calculation. For this purpose, numbers was initially simple but gradually increased, so humans need to develop a numeracy system. The numeration system has evolved over the country from time to time until today. In ancient times, mathematical knowledge was also needed in engineering science by the people who lived along rivers for the purpose of controlling floods, draining marshes, making irrigation, calculating agriculture and livestock products. In everyday life, we will always meet the name number because numbers are always needed both in technology, science, economics, or in the world of music, philosophy, and entertainment, as well as other aspects of life. The existence of numbers helps humans to perform many calculations, ranging from simple calculation of need for shopping in the kitchen for purpose of controlling floods, draining swamps, making irrigation, calculating agriculture and livestock products, to complex calculation on how to access trade, finance, and collecting activities. Text and the need for spacecraft launch, where each nation has its own way of describing numbers in the form of symbols. Definition of numeration system. So guys, the numeration system is a set of symbols and basic rules for writing numbers. Symbols that represent a number are called numerals. The number of ethnic groups in the world cause many different numeration systems. Therefore, a number can be represented by various symbols, but a symbol refers to only one number. In everyday life, we will always meet the name number because numbers are always needed both in technology, science, economics, or in the world of music, philosophy, and entertainment, as well as other aspects of life. The existence of numbers helps humans to perform many calculations, ranging from simple calculation of need for shopping in the kitchen for purpose of controlling floods, draining swamps, making irrigation, calculating agriculture and livestock products, to complex calculation on how to access trade, finance, and collecting activities. Text and the need for spacecraft launch, where each nation has its own way of describing numbers in the form of symbols. Experts only say that the number has existed since the first human civilization existed, driven by social need, name, counting, and comparing. The previous people had known writing, but they did not use numbers to count them using the symbols they had agreed upon. They used the symbol to symbolic the calculation they had done. They also barter to meet their daily needs. In trading, they also use symbols that they often do in their life. Different symbols are used by each region, so the symbols they use are different. The numeration system has always developed over the countries from time to time until now. Some of the concepts used the numeration system are: first, Additive rules. A numeration system is said to be additive if the number value is equal to the sum of the value of number symbol used. Next, the second, simple grouping rules. If the symbol used have values n to the power of 0, n to the power of 1, n square, and have additive rules. The third, rules of the place. The numeration system is said to use place value if the value of the number symbol is based on the place or position of the number symbol, meaning that the same symbol has different value because of its different position. Fourth, multiplicative rule. If it has a symbol, example b, for the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, blank, 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 b to the power of 1, b square, b to the power of 3, b to the power of 4, etc. The fifth, how to write number symbols. A. Random, for the ancient Egyptian numeration system. B. Horizontal, for Babylonian, Greek, Roman, Hindu, Arabic numeration systems. C. Upright or vertical, for the Japanese, Chinese, and Mayan numeral systems. The first numeration system used was the tally system, which was based on counting one-to-one correspondences. Then, along with the development of human civilization, the need for numbers and numbers that are increasingly complex caused humans to develop various numeration systems that apply in various parts of the world, such as the ancient Egyptian system of rocks. The need for numbers and numbers that are increasingly complex caused humans to develop various numeration systems that apply in various parts of the world, such as the ancient engineering system of rocks, 3000 before century, Babylonian system of rocks, 2000 before century, Greek system ancient of rocks, and 600 before century, Maya 300 before century, Japanese Chinese system of rocks, 200 before century Roman system of rocks, and 100 Hindu Arabic system, and 300 before century until 750 before century. The numeration system used today is a numeration system which is a combination of Hindu and Arabic numeration. The system persists because it is considered capable of meeting the needs of modern human numbers. We need to know the history of numbers because in everyday life we cannot be separated from something called numbers. This number is a relative of the number. In addition to editing inside, we can while learning again. So guys, I think that's all from me that I can explain to you about numeration system. Please forgive me if I had mistake in my explanation in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.